Guys, with Dogecoin, Ethereum, and a lot of other cryptos breaking record highs that we haven't seen in a long time, I've got a lot to discuss with you guys in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, a news article just came out titled, "Everything is Getting Bigger. Naomi Osaka says Dogecoin got her interested in crypto." She's literally the highest paid female athlete in the world. She says she's currently talking with her agent about investing even more of her money into different cryptocurrencies. Guys, people are seeing that it's truly a hedge against inflation, that any money that they invest in cryptos is likely to double, triple, or even quadruple just by the end of this year. Guys, some of the top names, biggest companies out there, tech companies out there, big firms, guys, they know what they're doing when they put billions of dollars into Bitcoin and other cryptos. She says she was drawn in originally by the whole Dogecoin crypto SNL hype. And guys, as some of the top influencers out there, athletes and billionaires get behind Dogecoin, guys, it's only causing more mass adoption and more people to invest in it. Dogecoin's use case on its smart contracts update coming out is only going to further its ability to be used in everyday transactions. Guys, historically, December has been a very bearish month for cryptos. An article just came out titled, "Coinbase's Bitcoin reserves dropped to the lowest level since December 2017. September is also historically bearish. However, because we have had such a long cool-down period, corrections period for the last couple of months, guys, I'm expecting September to be very, very bullish." The article also says that Bitcoin's price action stays frustratingly dull as altcoins take the chance to put in a serious performance led by Ethereum. Guys, back in December 2017, as I'm sure you already know if you've been into cryptos ever since, Bitcoin reached one of its all-time highs back then. Guys, supply shortages for Bitcoin and Ethereum are shockingly high, and these sort of shortages we haven't seen since 2017. And historically, when there's been supply and demand issues like this, it's caused the prices to skyrocket, because not only will Bitcoin and Ethereum go up, but the rest of the cryptocurrency market will follow up along with it. Guys, expect some massive pumps here very soon. And we're getting a bit of a dip on the charts right now, so now is the time to buy in, so you can have a very good position, be positioned very well for these massive spikes coming. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. With Ethereum outperforming the entire market, Bitcoin and Ethereum reserves being very, very low, expect for Ethereum to take the lead and surpass Bitcoin here just within the next 2 to 3 years. It wouldn't surprise me if we saw Ethereum as number 1, Dogecoin number 2, and Bitcoin running up as number 3 before too long. Guys, Ethereum is being burned every single day, and the more that's being burned, the higher the price is going. So guys, if you got positioned very well, like I told you about in my Patreon for Ethereum back when we were at $1,700, or really anything below 3,000, guys, you're looking really, really good right now. However, I'm still watching the charts to wait for those steep dips to let you guys know when it's a good time to make an entry if you're not yet in it. Because honestly, I'm expecting Ethereum to hit $10,000 to $20,000 just by the end of this year. Another article just came out titled, Ethereum price breaks $3,500 and hits 3-month highs against Bitcoin. The second largest cryptocurrency reaches its best levels against Bitcoin and the dollar in more than 3 months. Guys, based on Unchained data analysis for Ethereum, there's a lot of holding going on. With these big investors, these big whales putting a lot of money into Ethereum and holding it for long term, guys, it just tells us that its future is incredibly bright. Guys, this is going to build a foundation, a very stable foundation for cryptocurrencies here in the long run, causing all of them to go up in value over time. However, we still have that incredible volatility in the short term. So if you are short-term minded and you're looking to day trade, guys, there's still a lot of opportunities out there. And that's what I let you guys know about on my Patreon. Guys, on the Ethereum charts, we're seeing a bullish flag form and it is headed straight up. Guys, a bullish flag heads straight up and then has a bit of a consolidation period thereafter with a descending triangle leading to an apex and then of course a breakout. Generally to the upside, can be to the downside. However, we did break out to the upside and that's why we are headed straight up from there. Bitcoin finally had its reversal and it's headed up. And guys, that's why we broke $50,000. And guys, we broke $3 on Cardano. I'm expecting it to hit $3.50 or $4 just by the September 12th Alonzo hard fork update. So guys, if you've been buying the dips when I'm calling them out for Cardano, guys, you are positioned very well. And guys, as we look at the Dogecoin charts, we see that we had a huge wide cup and handle that had formed, right? And then a bullish flag with a small consolidation period, which allowed us to have a breakout to call it out to sell at the top here. And of course, we're having a huge dip right now, which gives you a perfect time for an entry into Dogecoin. So you want to look out for that. Have some cash on the side, guys. Put about 10% of your investment in each time. That way you're dollar cost averaging and you're making money in the long run on each trade. Guys, with every dip, we always have a peak, and with every peak, we always have a dip. We can never go straight up and we can never go straight down. So we have an opportunity because of the volatility to make a lot of money day trading with cryptos these days. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Weeble link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.